Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best E6000 Craft is probably one of the most versatile and reliable adhesives on the market, making it an indispensable tool for crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike, capable of bonding a wide array of materials from fabric and leather to metal, glass, and plastic with exceptional strength and durability, ensuring your creations stand the test of time and use. Number 5. E6000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded E6000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience effortless precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultra-fine tip. It allows for controlled application of small adhesive drops, perfect for intricate designs. Achieve professional results with its high-strength viscosity. This transparent jewelry glue offers superior adhesion, dries clear, and is waterproof for long-lasting durability. Unleash your creativity on a wide range of surfaces. It's ideal for everything from cell phones and jewelry to nail art, fabrics, and home decor. This kit comes complete with helpful tools like a wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens. These accessories make handling small rhinestones and precise glue application a breeze. Get back to your projects quickly with its fast-drying formula. It dries at room temperature in just 3 minutes and fully cures within 24 to 48 hours, ensuring a strong bond. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for your crafting projects, including multiple application tools. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for detailed work like jewelry making or nail art, this is a great choice. It ensures precise application and a clean finish for all your creative endeavors. What people say. The E6000 glue is a versatile adhesive that works well on a variety of materials including fabric, leather, and metal. It dries clear and remains flexible, making it ideal for projects where movement or bending is involved. The glue has a strong bond and is waterproof once cured, ensuring durability for crafts and repairs. Number 4. Zhehao E6000 Snip Tip Applicator 20-pack. Introducing the Zhehao Snip Tip Applicator, designed for your E6000 glue. These tips make applying adhesive precise and easy. Customize the flow of your glue with these pointed tips. You can snip along the lines for the perfect bead, ensuring a clean and controlled application every time. Ideal for detailed arts and crafts or quick repairs. Achieve fine tip precision when working with larger adhesive tubes. Crafted from quality plastic, these applicators are built to last. They are durable and won't easily break, ensuring long-term use. You'll receive a pack of 20 applicators, providing plenty for your daily projects and replacements. Please check the dimensions to ensure they meet your needs. What we like. These snip tip applicators are designed for precise glue application, allowing you to control the flow of adhesive from larger tubes. If you frequently use E6000 or similar glues and need a finer tip for detailed work or repairs, this pack offers excellent value and convenience. They are perfect for arts and crafts where accuracy is key. What people say. This glue is very strong and durable. It holds up well to washing and drying. It dries clear and is waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor projects. The E6000 Craft adhesive is versatile and can be used on a variety of materials including fabric, leather, wood, metal, and glass. Number 3. E6000 237032 Craft Adhesive, 2 fluid ounces clear, 2-pack. Introducing the E6000 237032 Craft Adhesive. This versatile glue comes in a convenient 2 fluid ounce clear bottle, and this pack includes 2 bottles. Don't worry about your projects in the wash. This adhesive is washer and dryer safe, ensuring your creations stay intact. Preserve your memories with confidence. It's photo safe, so you can use it on all your scrapbooking and photo projects without causing damage. Get creative with its printable surface. You can even print directly onto the adhesive for unique design possibilities. Experience a strong, clear bond for all your crafting needs. Its reliable formula ensures a durable hold. What we like. This option is a reliable, standard choice for general crafting and repairs. If you need an adhesive that is safe for photos and can withstand washing and drying, this is a solid pick. It's suitable for a wide range of projects where durability and safety are important. What people say. It's a great glue for attaching rhinestones to fabric. This glue is very strong and durable, perfect for crafts. The E6000 dries clear and is waterproof, making it ideal for various projects. Number 2. E6000 Multipurpose Adhesive. Discover E6000 the new standard in multipurpose adhesives. It offers the performance you trust with a low-odor formula for a better crafting experience. This adhesive is crystal clear, providing superb UV resistance and is completely paintable. You can achieve a seamless finish on any project. Enjoy a permanent bond that remains flexible, even after drying. Its self-leveling properties ensure a smooth application every time. With its waterproof formula and all-weather performance, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. Trust it for durability in any condition. Its premium polymer technology allows it to bond exceptionally well to a wide variety of materials, including wood, glass, fabric, metal, and most plastics. This adhesive is acid-free, making it safe for delicate items. Plus, it's washer and dryer safe, ensuring your creations withstand everyday use. What we like? Experience the same great performance with a low-odor formula. If you're sensitive to strong fumes or plan to use the adhesive outdoors or in areas with direct sunlight, this is the ideal choice. Its UV resistance and all-weather capabilities make it perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. What people say. The E6000 Craft adhesive is a versatile and strong glue that works well on a variety of materials including fabric, leather, and wood. It dries clear and remains flexible after curing, making it ideal for projects where movement or bending is involved. The adhesive has a strong bond that holds up over time, even with frequent use or exposure to different conditions. Number 1. E6000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue. Introducing the E6000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue, your go-to solution for all your crafting needs. This versatile glue is perfect for jewelry making, DIY projects, and even makeup applications. Achieve a flawless look with its clear drying formula. It ensures that your rhinestones, pearls, and other embellishments remain vibrant without any visible glue residue. This adhesive works wonders on various surfaces, including fabric, metal, and stone. It's ideal for clothing, nail art, and creating stunning jewelry pieces. The included dotting tools and precision applicator tips allow for intricate designs and accurate placement. Get into the tightest spots with ease for a professional finish. Crafted with premium quality, this adhesive is specially formulated and designed in the USA. Trust in its durability and performance for all your creative endeavors. What we like? This adhesive is perfect for detailed jewelry and bead applications, drying clear to keep your projects looking pristine. If you're a DIY enthusiast focused on intricate designs, especially with rhinestones, pearls, or small embellishments, this product is for you. The included precision tips and dotting tools offer excellent control for flawless results. What people say. The E6000 Craft adhesive is a versatile and strong glue that works on a variety of materials including fabric, leather, and metal. It dries clear and remains flexible, making it ideal for projects where movement or bending is involved. The adhesive is waterproof and temperature resistant once cured, ensuring durability in different conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.